ladies and gentlemen, dear MDs, CEOs, executive, make welcome Dr. Hassan Ismail.
People come to Facebook to create different kinds of adverts for various reasons. What is the reason for you creating these adverts? Most top advertisers, big brands, multinationals, if they are doing their adverts, the first line is always a question. I noticed that lead generation is the fastest way to grow, but it's not a sustainable strategy. Whichever business you do, this will work for it, as long as what you are selling is no more than 2 billion naira.